Hey everyone, this is Teacher Mina again.
And this is Teacher Marilou.
We are here at Sagami Women's University to do some flower viewing, some cherry blossom viewing. And as you can see, it is so bright and sunny. And it's quite warm today. The temperature, I think, is about
15 or 16 degrees.
About 16 degrees. And you can hear the birds in the background chirping.
Perfect background.
You can barely hear anything. You can just hear yourself breathing. And
I really did that.
And you really breathed. So today, in this video slash blog, because we're gonna be kind of writing a blog for this video too.
As well.
Yes, we're gonna discuss just a single topic about spring. And the question is,
what do you like most about spring?
Yes, what do you like most about spring? So think about your answer too, and of course in English. So first, I want to ask Teacher Marilou. So Teacher Marilou,
yes,
this is a very personal question. So what do you like most about spring?
Oh, I actually like a lot of things about spring, but maybe
the best thing about it.
Oh, it's so hard to choose.
I know. It has
a certain kind of like the breeze during spring is just
absolutely.
It's like no other. No,
like
I mean
no
what I
other,
mean is that it smells really good. Before I came to Japan, I didn't know that, or I really never noticed that there's like each season has its own distinct smell, like scent.
Exactly. So we're wondering about you guys. Do you actually also, kind of notice that? Do you notice that in summer there's a different scent, and it's in spring too?
Yeah.
There's a different kind of scent.
It smells like fresh leaves, and I really like that. I'm really into like earthy smells. So
yeah.
I
don't know fan of earthy smells.
That's kind of strange, but yeah, I really like that, and I feel very positive about it. So somehow it affects my mood and my my
mindset,
outlook.
Your outlook.
Yeah,
yes.
Also.
Definitely. And you were gonna ask me the same question too, right?
Of course. So, Teacher Mina, what do you like most about spring?
Spring season.
Yeah.
I'll have to say that spring can be my favorite season.
Wow.
Maybe. Okay, I'm torn between fall and spring. However,
I'm a summer girl, so I don't have allergies in summer. That's why that's my favorite.
It's a big factor.
Yeah.
Right. So what I like most about spring is that it's kind of like a season for new beginnings.
It's the start of something new.
Yes, I mean, if you remember, we started, doing a lot of new things last year in spring.
Yeah.
Right.
That's true.
And yeah, probably one of the reasons was the season. It is a beginning because the flowers are blooming. It's the beginning of the school year. So yeah, I mean, of course, I think not everybody is so excited about going back to school because spring vacations in Japan is quite short for
like
the kids.
A week or two?
Yeah. So, however, for me, especially, spring is the best time to, flip another page and, kind of restart. Restart.
It's like you hit a reset button in your life.
Exactly. Yes. Yeah. In your life. Okay.
Okay. It's like resetting everything.
Yeah.
It's amazing that you have this season here.
Exactly. So, I think that's about it. Sorry we kind of babbled about a very simple topic, but
Yeah,
you know us.
went really.
We went it went really deeper than we expected. But anyway, so thanks for having Hanami with us.
With us.
Yes, see you in the next Hanami. Maybe, of course, we will still do a lot of Hanami, for sure.
We love
We
it.
might film it, we might not. Who knows? So this has been Teacher Mina
And Teacher Marilou.
from Excel English. So
See you next time.
see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.